My name is Derek Peddle, and I'm a professor in the Department of Geography and Environment at the University of Lethbridge. We are providing training in entrepreneurship as part of spatial analysis courses using two integrated approaches. The first is work-integrated learning, or WIL. This is where students work in small groups on a real project with a real partner. The second approach involves student workshops and directed training opportunities such as the Trailblazing program with Agility and the Teaching Center. Each class works directly with entrepreneurs across all sectors on projects such as agriculture, energy, forestry, resource management, transportation, tourism, many others. These are offered in courses that I teach, such as Geography 3700, Mapping in the Cloud, Geography 4700, Advanced Digital Mapping, and Geography 4710, Remote Sensing Field Techniques. The two approaches are integrated directly by tying project initiatives with trailblazing outcomes. Students gain direct hands-on experience, build innovative portfolios in spatial analysis and geo-commerce, and they present and publish at national conferences. Partners are delighted. They return for follow-on projects and they hire our students. Direct and relevant connections are made from the university for our students and with our sector partners. It's a win-win-win.